Hey, welcome to my Amazon holiday gift guide. I'm Jules and I am sharing all of my Amazon holiday gift ideas under $50 for her. We're gonna be going through this pretty quickly. Everything is linked down below in the description box along with the corresponding number you see on the screen to help make it easy to find and easy to shop. So without further ado, make sure you're subscribed and let's get started. So our first category is for the foodie or chef in your life. All of the different categories are timestamped down below in the description box as well in case this isn't a category you're interested in. But first we have this foodie dice in this kind of glass container. It's beautiful, very aesthetic. But there's different ingredients on all the different dice and the idea is that you just kind of play around and make dishes out of it. Next we have this white and gold cooking utensil set. It also comes in black and gold. These utensils are really pretty, which can also make cooking more fun. Next we have this matte black air fryer. Air fryers are kind of not the new Instant Pot, but they are definitely like the trendy cooking appliance, I feel like, for 2020. I thought this matte black one looked really nice, clean, and aesthetic. It's not full of logos. It doesn't look cheap. Next, we have this really gorgeous marble and wood cheese board. Cheese boards and serving trays are great gifts, and you know that they're gonna get great use, whether they're used as food items or they could be used for like jewelry or any sort of, decor purpose that you could think of. Also, next we have this marble and gold cake stand. I think cake stands are really pretty, even though I never make cakes. Again, just like serving trays and cheese boards, they can be used for a multitude of different purposes, even if it's not for food. This next section is for my wine ladies out there, or this could be other drinks too, but I have to admit a lot of it is wine focused. This first thing that we have is a marble wine cooler. These make really great gifts. They're very clean, they're very pretty. Marble is so on trend. That's why you see so much marble in my gift guides. People love receiving marble things as gifts. Next, we have this wine cork holder. You see this sometimes at weddings, but it's also a nice way to decorate your home or a bar cart. They come in every letter of the alphabet, including the ampersand, which I guess isn't a letter of the alphabet, but that one's, I think, definitely a more wedding focused one. Next, we have this BrewMate martini tumbler. Now, BrewMate makes all kinds of tumblers and koozies and wine coolers, so I'll have a few others shown as well as linked down below in the description box, but I really like this one because, again, marble and martini. We kind of, showed a different drink that you could have with this, but you could put anything you want in these. I've seen people also use these sort of holders for hot cocoa or anything that they want to keep cool or hot. Next up, we have this set of 6 wine glasses. These are very modern. They're that square looking glass. I love this look, but the reason I put these ones on the list specifically is the brand Aspen and Birch packages it in a really nice box. It's matte black with shiny black. It's very pretty. It makes a beautiful gift. And so I also put their champagne flutes on here. These are a set of 4. Again, they come in that really nice box and it just makes a nice gift for someone who loves that more modern look. This next section is for my working girls out there. This first piece is something I was so excited to find. So I am a huge fan of the Day Designer Planner. However, they are over the $50 kind of budget that we are looking for in this gift guide. But I learned that Amazon has one that comes in a soft cover, which sounds amazing. It has all the same features as the hardcover, but it's like half the price. I highly recommend this planner. Every page, big page, is a whole day and it gives you all kinds of space. Next up on the list is this tumbler from Simple Modern. This one comes with a straw. These have been very highly sought after and they come in and out of stock a lot. And they're definitely that tumbler you want on your desk so that you drink more water because it's pretty, because it's fun, and it makes you happy. And then next we also have this luxe kind of metallic pen set. It comes in a lot of different colors, which I'm a huge fan of. I love all of them. I couldn't just pick one for this list. But what I especially loved about these is the packaging it comes in. These would make perfect stocking stuffers or like an extra gift if you were to give like a gift bag. This next section is for coffee and tea lovers. First up, I have just a very simple matte black mug. We're seeing a lot of matte black in decor. We're definitely seeing it as like a preferred finish, kind of like marble or rose gold. We're starting to see matte black kind of join the team there. So a nice just plain matte black mug is very cute. Next we have a matte black electric tea kettle. I had one in my Target gift guide and a lot of you really liked that. but I also wanted to include a slightly different one that you could get off Amazon, and I fell in love with this one. I love the metallic touches, but it's also really customizable at what temperature you want to heat up your water at. And then I also included a simple modern tumbler. It's kind of like the Yeti one that I've recommended before, but I'm trying to give different options other than the very popular Yeti one, and this one seems like a great one. It comes in a lot of sizes and a lot of different lid types. So next up we have our fashion section. This first one is a holographic. It could be a purse, backpack, tote. They have all different kinds of styles. So in sort of normal lights, it's black, but as you get into different lights, it starts to change colors, and it's highly reflective in really bright colors. So I just thought it was really interesting, and if it kind of fits the style of the person you're shopping for, or yourself, this could make a really great gift. Next up, we have this Christmas onesie, and I am kind of really loving this. I think loungewear and pajamas can make really great Christmas gifts, especially if you're giving them early so that it's something they can wear Christmas morning. Next, we have this Champion sweatshirt, because if you haven't heard, Champion is like in and trendy. I don't know if you remember, but Champion used to be like the cheap stuff that you could get like at Target or wherever. Now it's really expensive. So some of these things do go over the $50 limit. Some of them are not. Next we have these sunglasses, and these are just like the Hailey Bieber lookalikes. They're not very expensive. They make really great stocking stuffers. These ones came with a case that I think I got rid of because I don't like cases. And then I also have this kind of Sherpa trucker jacket. This is under $50, and it's a nice jacket. It looks really cozy. It's perfect for layering this time of year, and Sherpa is still very much on trend. Our next section is all about rest and relaxation. So this first one that I have is this silk pillowcase, and it is not breaking the budget at all. It even comes in a nice little box. It's very cute. Comes in a lot of colors and sizes, of course, but these make really great gifts. Silk is just so luxurious and nice, and almost to the point where it's necessary to help with your hair and skin as you sleep on your hair and skin for your entire life. Next is a great stocking stuffer idea. These are shower steamers, so you put them in your shower and they steam and they make it smell all fragrant. Next up, we have these furry slippers. These have been incredibly popular. They come in a few different colors. They're very soft and are just like walking on a cloud. Another great gift idea is an oil diffuser. This one just looks so sleek, modern, sophisticated, but still really nice. It makes a really excellent gift. Our next section is home decor. I have some of my favorite pieces in here. First up, we have this Chanel coffee table book. This looks really pretty on a tabletop or in a bookshelf. It has a really nice bind, which is imperative to a good coffee table book. Next up, we have this mirror glass. I think they call it a jewelry box, but you could really use it for whatever you want. But it could also work really nicely on a desk or on a dresser, wherever in your home that you could need it. Next up, we have this really beautiful Jonathan Adler candle. This comes in, I think, 3 different scents. This is the champagne one, which I think is the prettiest, but it also comes in bourbon and grapefruit, which is definitely a different look than the other two. But these are really beautiful. They're really nice candles, so you're gonna expect a great quality, a beautiful presentation, all of which make a really great gift. Next up, we have these agate coasters. I have one actually right here. I really love these. This one is from Anthropologie. If you want to see an Anthropologie gift guide, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I love these coasters. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they just have some really nice touches. Anthropologie has other colors too, but these are the ones I found on Amazon. Next, we have this wax warmer, which I also have and love. I use wax warmers mostly for my Capri Blue candles. They don't burn down very evenly or all the way, and they're really nice candles. They're very expensive, so I'm not gonna waste them. And so I bought a wax warmer so that I could take the wax out of those candles and still use it to make our home smell nice. All right, this next section is the beauty section. First off, we have this facial cleaning brush. I think people really love getting contraptions and gadgets, especially when it comes to beauty as gifts. So this one is really pretty. It comes in a few other colors, and you can use that brush to cleanse your face and exfoliate. Next up, we have this dip powder kit. I love dip manicures. I've been getting them for years, and some people do find them pretty expensive. So here's an at-home kit you can use. You probably will need to also purchase this Dremel kit, because if you just do the dip, it's gonna come out all bumpy. So to get it all smooth, you definitely want a Dremel, and you might also want a buffer set. All of these together, I think, might be a little over $50, but individually, of course, they're much under. Next up, we have this hot dryer hairbrush. These have been all over the place. They have been so popular. They're just an easy way you can brush your hair, blow dry it at the same time. It really can add a lot of volume. Next up, we have this Moroccan oil gift set. Moroccan oil is kind of a pricey hair product, but this one just gets such good reviews and it comes in this cute gift box. And then next up we have this makeup brush cleaner. I swear by this. This is so easy to use. The little contraption does all the work for you of washing and drying. It is so amazing. I think this is a really cute set. Moving on to some jewelry pieces, we first off have this initial charm necklace. This kind of coin or charm necklace is really on trend, so it's very easy to layer with things that you probably already own. Next up, we have this watch from Nine West. I think this is really pretty. It is just a watch, so don't get too excited about how fancy it is, but it's really pretty. It comes in a pink and it also comes in a gray. Next up, we have this chain necklace set, which if you've watched my channel before, you've heard me talk about a lot. I'm currently wearing it. It is these two pieces and I have it in gold and silver. It's so helpful and nice to pair it with almost anything that you possibly could. Next up, we have some silver pave hoops. These are really pretty. They're definitely kind of glitzy and dressy, which is perfect for New Year's, which I know it's a little early to start talking about New Year's, but let's be honest, we're all waiting for it. Next up, we have this very simple bar necklace. I really love this for layering. It would look really great with the gold versions of these, but it also looks really nice on its own. So my next video is Amazon gifts under $50 for him. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you did, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.